On our way to Oregon Pipe, we stop in Y to get gas. This is the last town you hit before you get to the Mexican border. We fill up with water at the campground when we get there, and it's really gorgeous everywhere in here with all of the amazing cactus. The sites here are huge and amazing with all the cactus around them. This was probably one of our favorite national park or national monument campgrounds. The next day we head out thinking we're going to take a scenic drive, but and there would be hikes out there too, but the drive would be on a gravel road for 25 miles and there's no turning around. And with only 4 inches of clearance, we decide we can't really do this one. We end up on the hike to Alamo Canyon. It's still down a dirt road, but this one's a lot shorter. Mike's obsessed with dead cactus because of getting them stuck in his leg when feeding burros. Sky makes things look a bit creepy today at times. Mike posing next to a giant Oregon pipe cactus. This was used as a ranch house in the early 1900s. This was the corral for the ranch. In Oregon Pipe, you're so close to the border with Mexico that you often see signs telling you not to help people with backpacks and certain types of water bottles. Because of the signs and the fact that we are literally the only people on this trail, we get pretty spooked. So we don't go farther beyond the corral area. Or creature sighting for the day. Back at the campground for the sunset. And the quails come to visit us in our campsite. Parking in the visitor center on our way out, we find our people. Views on our way out as we head to Sonoran Desert RV. So we stop and stay at the Sonoran Desert RV so that we can get some laundry done and relax before we head up to White Tanks. And it has nice facilities. We also explore Gila Bend a little bit. Sonoran Desert National Monument was close by, but there was really nothing spectacular out here to see. So we go and explore some shops in Gila Bend. And we head farther north up to White Tanks.